finna lie to y'all. This is disgusting. Like, this is kale, spinach, celery, and water. I ran out of fruit, so it literally tastes disgusting, but I'm gonna drink it. If I literally had to choose between chugging liquor and chugging this, I might be alcoholic. I just might be alcoholic. I don't know. Welcome to Dark Season. If you've seen my page, you would know that half my hair is blue, half my hair is blue. Platinum. Yeah, I'll hit y'all when I get back. After juicing, this is my first snack. Some salted cashews. Y'all, I love this. Y'all, can y'all see my grocery list? I literally just wrote this last night, and now I need more stuff. Oh my God. Okay, LOL, the peanut butter did not like go all the way into the smoothie, so it's kind of stuck on the sides. But all right, taste test. It's so crazy because this has literally probably been like the first banana that I've eaten since I like came back from campus. It tastes like a peanut butter and jelly smoothie. I love it. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Drifski and welcome to my page. The reason why I add like a lot of protein to my smoothies is because I do go to the gym on a regular basis. And because I don't eat meat, it's kind of like hard to get that into the body. So I just gotta make sure like I try to incorporate it like a lot. And I usually try to incorporate it with breakfast because that is the first meal of the day. So I have an exam coming up like in 2 hours, so I need to go study for it. So I'm finish the smoothie and then we're gonna come back when I'm about to eat some lunch. Peace! Do y'all see that sign? Ooh, all right. I'm in my gym right now. There's like a lot of people up here. I don't know how to feel about that. That's why I hate going to the gym at night. But I guess I'll go back to y'all in a second. So guys, I actually overcooked the pasta a little bit. So this is what I made. It's actually low-key thebomb.com. I had my pasta sauce like molded, so like I had to throw it out because I was not about to do that, and I'm kind of hurt about that. And then like, boom, my mom gave me this. I put it in like with the pasta, and like I added some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, these red bell peppers, and this vegan sausage. Oh my God. I probably won't have a problem making ASMR. I just don't like how it sounds. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So for dinner, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm being lazy right now. Please forgive me. But dinner, probably gonna make some chocolate ice cream with frozen bananas, peanut butter, cocoa powder, protein powder, cause I'll make it a little healthy. Maple syrup. Coconut oil, and my homemade almond milk that's frozen. Wow. Y'all, please excuse me for being like this way right now, but I'm literally just finished doing all my homework and studying for my exam that I have tomorrow, and I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow morning. Yeah, my life is great, pretty great. But I don't know if you can see before, yeah. I'm just gonna eat this. This is a big epic fail. Y'all can see me do my little taste test. I'm not even gonna lie though, the chocolate little clusters I made with the cashews, I'm not even gonna lie, this snaps. So like I said, I'm really sorry for being this way right now. That y'all can't even like see my whole body. But thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and once again, come on! It does that every time, like why? why you're not subscribing. Like, I'm so serious. Like, make sure you subscribe because we'll literally have a problem. Oh, yeah? Peace.